Now imagine if a tiramisu and a cheesecake jetted off to a deserted island and came back with a baby. That baby, Carlota de queso y limon. Yep, lemon icebox cake. Wow, did you make that? Yeah, who else would have made it? And it took about 20 minutes. So let's grab our blender. This is the only piece of equipment that we're gonna use. Cream cheese, we got sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract. This is my favorite trick with a can opener. Usually people open their cans like this. I like to open the can like this, no sharp edges. 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Let's add some vanilla. We're gonna zest our limes. 1/4 cup of lemon juice, which is the equivalent of 2 lemons. All right, now we're gonna add lime juice also. 3 tablespoons, so like 1.5 limes. The lemons and the limes work so perfectly together. It's a burst of freshness. It's like, hello, spring is here, summer is here. All the good things are about to happen. Let's blend her up. Yes. Actually, these are all learning moments. It still has a little bit of chunkage in there. See the little bits? We just have a couple more seconds to go. All right, she finally looks good. I mean, it's so good you could totally just drink it. People put cream cheese in smoothies, right? Right? This was the hardest part of this dessert, the blending. Throw everything in, blend it until it's smooth, and then comes my favorite part, the Maria cookies. I can't tell you what Maria cookies mean to like Mexican Americans, Mexicans. They're like a staple. We eat them all the time, usually make an appearance along with cafe. They make for the perfect like vessel for cream cheese and just anything delicious, which is pretty much what we're doing here. Hey Gamesa is not sponsoring this video and I don't care. But if you want to, I'm here for it. Look how cute they are. Now, because we want to do things right and we want to be precise, I'm going to use a measuring cup. Now the layering process of this feels very, very similar to a tiramisu. The cookies do something very similar and they absorb a lot of the moisture from our cream cheese mixture and they become incredibly soft, which is what gives us this icebox cake or like cake-like consistency. The cream cheese mixture is gonna go on top of the Maria cookies. Spread some of the cream cheese mixture all over. All right, so now we're gonna layer again. 9 more cookies. Measure out more of our cream cheese mixture. We're gonna pour, smooth it out. More cookies. More cookies. So now we're gonna make our whipped cream topping. We're gonna add some sugar. Now we're gonna add our cream. And now we whip. I think we got it. All right, there we go. Little soup reminds me of Jimmy Neutron. There's something so soothing about smoothing out whipped cream. Actually, okay, so remember when I said that blending your ingredients was the hardest part? I lied. Putting it in the refrigerator and waiting for it to set for 4 hours or overnight is actually the hardest part. After 4 hours, I forgot to cover it with plastic wrap. Lightly wrap it. For reals this time. Oh my god, thank goodness this cake is almost ready because I only have a few cookies left and I need them. She's so cute. Look at how beautiful she is. You can see all of the layers, you can see the cream filling, and it looks like I put in so much work and I spent so much time making it, when in reality, I spent most of my time waiting, reading New York Times articles and scrubbing some of my tile. Here she is, Carlota de queso y limon. It's like a lemon lime icebox cake with a little cream cheese. All right, with a lot of cream cheese. She's impressive, incredibly delicious, and so easy to make. It's so fluffy. I haven't had breakfast. Don't tell my mother. I seriously regret nothing. Looks like a chef made it. Tastes like heaven, but takes the skills of a raccoon with a whisk.